Alright guys, first little going out today. Top order cicada in black. First cast. Oh wow. So I've had about 20 or so casts, 25 casts in the cicada. Not even one hit. So I'm gonna change over to my atomic crank diver. Fucking do it. This little bugger here. Huh? Yep, there we go. It's a bass.
You get one?
Yep.
Oh, what? You foul hooked it?
No, he's hooked in the mouth, but he just
Huh?
he's hooked in the mouth.
Show me. Show me. You foul hooked him.
He's in the mouth, you idiot. In the corner of the mouth. Look.
Oh.
Fucking hell.
Look like you foul hooked him.
I knew he was gonna spike me, the little cunt. Oh, it's deep.
What is?
The spike. Spiked me good. I knew the jigging technique would work.
Wait.
I wasn't slow reeling it, I was jigging it.
Oh. I wasn't even jigging mine, I was just slow really.
Yeah. Yeah, he's hooked in the mouth and then the second hook got him in the belly. Ah, spiked me those little spiky dogs, eh? Oh, got it. Got the second one out. Got the first one out. That was so easy. Oh, he fucking got me good. He got me good, he did, the little bugger.
I'm gonna use this, okay?
I'm gonna use the chatterbait. Shuffle my lure on my rod. Nice little, probably about 20 centimetre bass. They're only small here, but they're fun. I mean, they're very fun. But see you later, mate. Thanks for the fight. Oh, Cody, you love me, don't you? Oh, you're my biggest fan, aren't you? Should have heard him say that the other day. He's like telling me that he's my biggest fan.
What the fuck? It's either brick to me or it's fucking.
No, it's rocks. You're on rocks.
I was on.
No, you weren't, cunt.
I was.
You're
Swear
on.
to God,
What the fuck does?
Got bit.
This is racist.
It must have grabbed it and went towards me.
The natives won't bite. Oh, yeah. Bro, why are my things tangled too? Bro, my no, my tip's tangled. Got it. Am I even on anymore? Yep. Yes, finally.
I'd rather get him on that than fucking.
Finally. Second one today, but still, fuck me. I've been trying so long, and I get one as soon as my tip tangles. Should have seen me bleeding yesterday when it spiked me.
Yeah, it was bleeding. It hurts like for ages.
Yeah, because they've like, it doesn't even hurt straight away, but it hurts after. They had the little shitty venom things in it, but doesn't kill you, but it makes it more painful.
Have you got on what's called spiked by a caddy?
Yes, cunt. No.
It's supposed to be like venomous.
Should have seen Jack. He wanted to stomp in it because we're gonna eat it, right? Oh no, don't go back. I need to hold you up for the camera. And he stepped on it barefooted and he tried to stomp on its head, but he missed it, got his dorsal, and it went straight into his foot.
What did he do?
Oh, he was pissing out blood, squirting blood.
Suck shit to him.
Yeah, I know. If he watches this video, then...
You can't suck shit to him.
Just before caught a bass, but my GoPro's dead. It was on my cicada. Dylan got a hook in his finger, well past the barb too. Nice bass. Little bass. Got another bass, guys. GoPro's dead though, sadly. But yeah, that crankbait's doing some good. Nice little bass. Guys, another one on the crankbait again. They're smashing it, mate. They're smashing it.